Everyone uses ChatGPT, and it's still not that bad, but it has a lot of limitations, especially the free version. You need to wait until the next day for an answer, you can create only 2 images a day, and most answers start to sound the same. It becomes time-consuming, expensive, and frustrating. That's why in this video I'm going to introduce you the top 3 AI tools that are already beating ChatGPT in speed, logic, productivity, and almost everything else. Each of these free tools is great for something different. I'll explain their benefits, how to use them, and how you can access them for free. So make sure to watch this video until the end and subscribe to our channel for more useful AI videos. The first AI tool that I'm going to talk about today is QWEN AI. As you could see, QWEN is very similar to ChatGPT, and it's Alibaba's large language model, optimized for logic, code, multilingual understanding, and massive context handling. You can access it on chat.qwen.ai. Just create a free, unlimited account. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Why QWEN is dangerous? In a good way. It is extremely fast for reasoning. It is excellent at math, coding, and structured tasks. It is great for automation workflows. You can edit images, generate images from text, generate images from images, and even create videos from text or images. All of this is available with no limitation and completely free, since there is no paid version. If you want to create image, you can just go to image generation, type in the prompt, and just click enter or this blue button. As you could see, in just a few seconds, this program created an image of people sitting in the park reading. If you want to edit the image that you already have, click the image edit, upload the image from your computer or laptop. I found an old photo of Keanu Reeves, and I will type in the prompt, make this guy sit and meditate. As you could see, in just a few seconds, it generated image of Keanu Reeves sitting and meditating. You can go very deep in details about the background, facial expressions, and everything else. If you want to create a video, go to video generation. You can just type in the prompt or upload any image that you have and type in any prompt that you want. For example, I typed in to make him smile and then blink. I will click enter, and it takes 1 to 2 minutes to generate the new video. We use QWEN almost every day for content creations. You can try it yourself and leave your honest opinion in the comments. You can also change the format of the video here. You can make it in a YouTube format, or maybe for shorts and reels. It is all up to you. Our video is generated, so let's click and see what this program made for us. The second AI tool I'm going to talk about today is Grok. You can access the Grok when you go to the website grok.com. You can sign up with your email or using your X account. You probably heard about Elon Musk, one of the richest men in the world. Well, he's developing this platform, and what makes Grok different is that it is trained with the real-time data from X, previously Twitter. It is designed to be less censored, and it is focused on truth-seeking and real-world conversations. When we compared it with ChatGPT, it has a more human tone than ChatGPT when used for content creation. It is better for real-time trends and social media. It is generally faster and more precise for translations and many other tasks that we've tested. And you can also use it to create images and short videos. Feel free to experiment and let us know in the comments if you like it more than QWEN and ChatGPT. When talking about weaknesses, it is less polished for long-form content when we compare it to ChatGPT and QWEN. It is not always neutral, it often has strong opinions, and of course it has a paid version, which means that once you pay, you have access to better programs. The third program I'm going to talk about today is Google Gemini. This is the AI tool that Google is developing, and it has a deep integration with Google Search. It is excellent for YouTube, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Maps, and the entire Google ecosystem. To keep it short, we use Gemini mainly for two things: Nano banana integration for creating some of the best images on the market, and the latest version of Veo for generating the best videos that can be longer. So far, these are the best image and video generation tools available in the market. The quality of images and videos generated with these tools cannot be compared to the previous tools mentioned. For example, let's say I want to create an image of people reading book in the park. In just a few seconds, it will load Nano Banana and create an image. If you want to create a video, you can do it from text or using an image to create video. I will upload the image from my computer and I will type in a prompt to create a video of me saying subscribe to Tesla Mind AI for more AI videos. And usually in 1 to 2 minutes max, it will create a new video. Here is the video that this program created.
Subscribe to Tesla Mind AI for more AI videos.
As you could see, Gemini has the free version, but if you want access to Nano Banana and Veo for video generation, you need to have an AI Pro version, which is paid. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the hidden link that you can use that most people don't know about to get this AI tool free for a month. You should go to one.google.com/about/Google AI plans. I will also leave this link in the description. And as you could see here, you can try Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge. If this option is not available in your country, you can use a VPN. You can also use a different email and debit card for the next month. Google is a strong company, and I believe that they're not gonna go bankrupt if few of us use it for 1 or 3 months for free until we start making a little money. I hope that you learned something new from this video today. As I mentioned, the smartest people this year won't use just one AI. They will use the right AI for the right task. If you want more AI tools, automation strategies, and different ways to make money with AI, subscribe to our channel now. See you in one of the next videos.